said, hey, what's your name? Yeah, you know that I'm really glad you came. But a lot of other dudes probably thinking the same. Yeah, he didn't treat you right, girl, that's a shame. But don't you know, I've been thinking about you a lot on the low. And I was really hoping that we could grow. I don't like sleeping all on my own, but tell me what is you wanting? 'Cause I've been thinking about the two of us. Got my heart and you running. Just tell me where you running to. Where you really running, girl? 'Cause I don't really wanna chase you for nothing, girl. Yeah, but the way that you move is real stunning, girl. He don't really want to, yeah, 'cause he just running, girl. Yeah, 'cause he don't know you like I know you. He not gon' show you like I can show you. So just hit my line and you can roll through, yeah. Baby girl, you so cool. So where you wanna go, yeah. And we can go wherever, we could take it slow. Let's roll to the beach, take your shoes off, feel the sand in your feet, yeah. Jump up in that water if you're feeling that heat, yeah. That's just a sight that I can't beat. Tell me what is you wanting? 'Cause I've been thinking about the two of us. Got my heart and you running. Just tell me where you running to. But yeah, love your smile, I love your laugh. And I don't really know how you do it like that. Somehow, girl, you got me running back to you. What do you do? Saw you at the party by the way you move. And I hit your line, told you rock through. But I'm still wondering, tell me what is you wanting? 'Cause I've been thinking about the two of us. Got my heart and you running. Just tell me where you running to.
Guess I got bad timing. Feel like all my life I wish I could rewind it. We could make it right. I should know. Wish that I could go home. Don't answer my phone. Always end up alone. Sick of feeling so low. Guess I got bad timing. Feel like all my life I wish I could rewind.